Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on adding fractions and adding and subtracting fractions. I'm back inside my room, as you can see, and please ignore the fan behind me as it's going to keep the house cool. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video. Adding fractions. So if you know or don't know, a fraction is made out of two parts: the numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number. Some simple rules which are very crucial are if the denominator in the equation is the same, then x over y plus z over y equals x plus z over y. However, if the denominator is different, it's a little more complicated. It's x over y plus z over a equals x times a plus z times y over the LCM of y and a. It looks hard at first, but it will be much easier when we get to it. And these rules also apply for subtraction as well. So if the denominator is the same, it would be x over y minus z over y equals x minus z over y. X over y minus z over a would be x times a minus z times y over the LCM of y and a. Now, we're going to do some adding fractions. We have 5/8 plus 9/8, and if we remember our formula, x over y plus z over y equals x plus z over y, then we would get 5 plus 9 over 8, which is 14 over 8, which simplifies to 1 3/4. Yes. 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 is 3 plus 5 over 2 equals 8 over 2 equals 4. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 1 plus 2 over 3 is 3 over 3 is exactly 1. Let me make that neater. See, these are very simple once you get to do them. The equations may make them seem hard, but they're actually really easy. Time for you to try it yourself. You have 8 over 9 plus 10 over 9, 19 over 42 plus 26 over 42, and 108 over 206 plus 87 over 206. Good luck, and I will see you when we review the answers. Did you do it? Well, these are the answers if you did it. 8 over 9 plus 10 over 9 equals 19 over 9 equals 2 and 1/9. 19 over 42 plus 26 over 42 equals 45 over 42 equals 1 and 1/14. 108 over 206 equals 87 over 206, or plus 87 over 206 equals 205 over 206. If you got these right, excellent job. If you didn't, that's okay. Not everyone expects to get them right first try. Adding fractions with different denominators. So, I'm only going to do one problem to show you because they take a bit longer and they're a little more complicated. Don't worry, you'll only have one problem to do for the try it yourself as well. We have 4/5 plus 9/3. We would not just go like 4 plus 9 is 13 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Bada bing, bada boom, this is the answer. Because no, it's not. We need to find the LCM of the two denominators, 5 and 3, and then we can take care of the numerator. The LCM, we know if one of the numbers is prime, then we multiply to get the LCM. 5 and 3 are both prime, so the LCM is 15. LCM 5 equals 15. So now we know our denominator is 15. Now these are the same. But what do we do now? Well, like our equation said, we multiply x by a and z by y. So it would be 12 over 15 plus 45 over 15. And if you look closely, these are equivalent fractions. These two are equivalent. Oh, sorry, my board. And these two are equivalent. Now, we just have the same denominator, so we do same denominator addition. 12 plus 45 is 57, and 15 is the same, so we get 57 15s, I'm sorry, or 3 and 12 15ths, or 3 and 4/5. And the reason we get 3 and 12 15ths is a cool shortcut. 45 over 15 is 3, so it's just like saying 3 plus 12 over 15, which is 3 and 12 over 15, or 3 and 4 over 5. It's time for you to try it yourself. Try 4 over 2 plus 8 over 5. Good luck! Did you do it? If you did, good job. If you didn't, that's fine. You can do it another time or look at the answers with us. 4 over 2 plus 8 over 5 equals 36 over 10, or 3 and 3/5. If you just got 36 over 10 and stopped there, that's fine. If you went to 3 and 3/5, that's amazing. If you got it wrong, that's okay. At least you're learning. Subtracting fractions. Alright, this is going to be quick because you should already get the gist of how to add and subtract fractions. We have 6 over 18 minus 4 over 18. That's 6 minus 4 over 18, which is 2 over 18, or 1 over 9. Now we have 12 over 7 minus 8 over 9, which is something over 63. 12 times 9 is 108. 8 times 7 is 56. So 108 minus 56 is 52 over 63. Try it yourself. 18 over 20 minus 9 over 20 equals blank. 14 over 16 minus 9 over 10 equals blank. Good. These are the answers for the try it yourself. 9 over 20th, 9 over 20, and negative 140. There is something I'd like to talk about. The formula I gave is only correct if one denominator is prime. If both are common and have an LCM that's lower than multiplying them, then you do not do that formula. You would have to do x times the number that you had to multiply y by to get the denominator, and you have to multiply z by the number that you had to multiply a by to get the denominator. So for example, the LCM of 16 and 10 is 80. You had to multiply 14 times 5 because 16 times 5 is 80, and you had to multiply 9 times 8 because 10 times 8 is 80. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry about the small mistake. But anyway, I hope you had a great day, night, or whenever you choose to watch this. Have a great summer or whatever season you're maybe going into. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on next video, multiplying and dividing fractions.